Welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at changing security groups to allow ICMP or ping traffic from a specific IP address. We will be doing this via the AWS CLI. Please see the link in the description for the AWS CLI installation. To begin with, we'll check our public IP address. AWS has a handy URL we can use for this. The EC2 instance for this demo was using an IP address ending in .129 at the time of recording. Let's try to ping it from my machine. It appears to be getting blocked. Let's add my own IP address to the security group and allow it to use ICMP or ping. I'll leave the ping running on the left terminal window. We can see what the ID of our current security group is by using describe instances and grepping it. We can use the security group ID in the next command. Next, we are going to use the security group ID starting with SG and our IP address to authorize ICMP. Port number -1. Once we hit enter, we can see confirmation that ICMP has been added for that IP address and the ping in the left window can start working. Thanks for watching.